Till the Book of Peace. We will return in the tropics.
Everyone, back on the ship!
Come on, move faster!
Grab the rope!
Clap your hand!
Marina! Rat, don't let the blocks freeze!
Aye, aye, Captain.
And Kale,
Aye.
give me a hug.
Excuse me?
Oh, she couldn't see the bird? Everyone else saw it. As big as a freaking ship. Marina's looking the other way.
You're rescuing me.
Yes, if that's what you want to call it. But this is gonna cost you another diamond. Rescues aren't part of the usual tourist package.
So, how are we gonna get down?
I don't know.
What?
I don't know yet. I'm thinking about it, all right?
You scaled 1,000-foot tower of ice, and you don't know how to get down?
Of all the ungrateful... Look, if you'd rather take your chances on your own, that can be arranged.
Shh. All right. So, what do we have to work with? Ropes.
No.
Grappling hooks?
Yeah, no.
Your swords.
Hey, I've got this.
Oh, great. He can pick his teeth when he's done with us.
Yeah, okay. See, in the hands of an expert, a good knife has 1,001 uses. Ooh.
Run! Come on! Faster! Let's go! I think we lost him!
Marina!
There. Just as I planned.
It's
Marina!
My Lady Marina!
We thought you were gone forever.
Oh, I'm fine, really. But I'm touched by your concern.